everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with our Stash Crafting 2021 birthday, and basically it's me and Tree are doing this stash collab between us, and whoever wants to join us is very welcome to join us. All you have to do is put the hashtag Stash Crafting 2021 birthday, and so we are basically using all our scraps that we have here at home to craft with, and instead of going out and buying new items. So let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. I did make it a simple one. I didn't elaborate as much as I did on my last one, but like I said, it's using our scraps, and this is what I pulled out. So I had this beautiful paper pad, and I basically did cut aparts right here. So this is the paper pad I used right here. It's Purple Passion, and I've had this one in my stash for, let me see, was it last year? No, a year before that. So this one, it has 12 designs. It's 12 by 12, and it has these patterns right here. Okay, and then these are the papers that it comes with. So I did not want to make it all purple, but I kind of did have to because of the cut parts. So isn't this so beautiful? And I still have to use this one. I didn't realize this one. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and I started using this paper pad, and as you guys could see, this is my first cut apart. And then I realized that somebody had sent me on their packaging this purple paper pad or paper, and I went ahead and used it, and then I went ahead and used this, matted it down here, and this one was given to me by Kimberly Creates, I believe, and then I matted it with another pink one, and then here is the cut apart right here. And then I don't know if you guys could see, I did use Wink Stella, and I also did use, let me see if I find it here, it is a fabric paint that is from Dollar Tree. This one was given to me by Chiquita's Crochet. This is the one, and it's so nice because it does like a kind of like the wing, like the stickle effect on it, on our design. So I don't know if you guys could see that. There you go. I had these stickers that I've had them in my stash, and these stickers are from Hobby Lobby, and I got those about 3 years ago when I first started crafting. So that's one. This one's another one. I still have to put the make the card. This is just the base that I have to put, so I kind of just started it and didn't finish it. So there's another one, and then I went ahead and did this one, and I went ahead and distressed it on here on the sides. Matted it down here, put another matting down there, and did the same thing. And then I went ahead and did the fabric paint effect on it. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's pretty hard to catch on camera. I don't know if you guys could see a little bit of glimmer there, so yay. And then I also did this one right here. Oh, I like this one. Was my favorite of them all. This one was my favorite. I am not much of a card maker, so making cards is a very hard thing to do. So I love this one. This was one of my favorites. So there you go. I did the matting, and then as you guys could see, I went ahead and did the fabric paint, and this is what I used again. So if you guys see this at Dollar Tree, I suggest you guys pick it up. And that's one, and this is my last one, and there you go. So I do apologize for this being late. Like I did say, I made them simple. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And if you guys want to join us, I will link also Tree down under the description below. You guys are welcome to join us. And actually this week is already Christmas stash, so get started on that. Anyways, thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.